Here is how to print from Canva. So to get started, I have just opened this particular template here. Now, in order for me to print this one, what I'm gonna do is just click the share button here, and then I'm gonna have to download this one. Now, in this case, since there is an image involved, I'm gonna go ahead and click this one, and then I'm gonna go ahead and choose PDF print. So I'm gonna click that, click the download button, and we have downloaded it. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. And yeah, from here, what's going to happen is that you're just going to review if everything is correct, if nothing has changed. And if that is good, then you are going to go ahead and tap the print option right here. Go ahead and click the destination, and then you're going to look for the printer that you are using. So once you have seen your printer, just go ahead and make sure that everything here has been set. So in this case, for example, this is an image. Make sure that the color here is colored, not black and white, and then just go ahead and click the print button and you are done. That, everybody, is how easy it is to print from Canva.